Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the World of Dypians token. Ticker symbol is WOD. Now it was just announced that this token will be getting a very big central exchange listing starting November 27th on a very big central exchange, and we're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. So you can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So you can find this token here on CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap. Those links are at the bottom of their webpage. They have tons of links here. If you go to worldofdypians.com, they have CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, LinkedIn, contact email, Medium articles, Facebook, Instagram, GitHub, YouTube channel, Discord, Telegram, Twitter, contact us, terms of service, join the beta, brand team, staking shop, and token information. They also have games, maps, community section. They have governance, game campaigns, game updates, a Telegram mini app. There's an about section that has brand partners, roadmap, security, tokenomics, all that stuff here. So the launch pad for this token was on Pools, Ordify, WeWay, and FinScepter. And it says WOD, or I guess WOD, W-O-D is the ticker symbol. WOD is a utility token issued on the Binance Smart Chain, providing the foundation for the World of Dypians ecosystem, integrating DeFi, NFTs, gaming, and AI all in one place. Now, it was just announced on Twitter that this token will be getting a very big central exchange listing starting November 27th at 11 a.m. UTC time. This token will be listed on a very big central exchange called Gate. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have a Gate account, you could download Gate from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or you can open an account on your PC at gate.io. Then you would fund your account with USDT. Then when the token gets listed on the 27th, go into the trade section and search WOD, and then you would simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So this token here, they have a Telegram, which is at World of Dypians _bot that has 339,104 monthly users. That is a lot of users. It says earn weekly USDT rewards. And they have an announcement channel at World of Dypians and a support channel too as well at World of Dypians _support. So you can check out that mini app game. A lot of people play these Telegram mini app games. Super popular. I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here as usual. You can see they have a gold verified checkmark, 2,432 posts. It says explore endless gameplay and shape your destiny. BNB Chain Alliance members, DAU incentive program winner. Then it has a link to the mini app, has a link to their webpage, 302,300 Twitter followers. Very popular project. Now, maybe Gate is not available in your country. Maybe you don't want to use a central exchange. Since this token is on the Binance Smart Chain, when it goes live, on central exchanges, Most likely it'll go live on decentralized exchanges as well, like Pancakeswap for Binance Smart Chain token. So you'll be able to get this token eventually by probably around the same time and date as the Gate listing by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet or Coinbase wallet with Binance Smart Chain, going into the dApps, finding Pancakeswap, and then trading your BSC for this token using the contract address that you could find worldofdypians.com. You may have to set slippage if there's taxes. Also, there is going to be a small amount of gas fees. And then also stay tuned for other listings as it gets closer to the 27th. There's probably going to be other central exchange listings that pop up as well. So it says the WAD token is at the heart of the World of Dypians ecosystem, crafted to enhance your experience and engagement. It unlocks a range of features and benefits on the platform, making it essential for all players. So it is an in-game currency. It says use the token as the main currency for buying virtual goods and upgrades. The NFT shop. Use the token to buy, sell, and trade NFTs within the shop. Earn solutions. Reward players with tokens for achievements and engagement. Rewards and incentives. Stake tokens for rewards and benefit in the game. Governance decisions. Participate in platform decisions as a token holder and platform fees. Use the token for transactions and premium features. So 8% of the tokens were allocated to the seed round, 8.5% to the private round, 1.5% KOL round, 2% public round, 12% team, 5% advisors, 30% community, 25% ecosystem, and 8% liquidity, for a total supply of 1 billion tokens. Now, they do have a roadmap here, very lengthy roadmap. We'll go over some of it though, but they start with the introduction of AI-powered NPCs, expansion of the city area, introduction of new teleport station, addition of new game creatures, new chain expansion, daily bonus improvement, partnership development, enhanced leaderboard. Then we have teleportation hub, skyway system, rank and reward system, Prime subscriber benefits expansion, launch the mobile app, the new game UI developments, challenger features, improving tracking rewards, personalized game domain, cause staking pool, my rank introduction, partnership development, expanding with new environments, Genesis Land NFT staking pool, launch of the mini app, expansion of new chains, addition of AI-powered NPCs, enhancements of leaderboards, and partnership development. So new chains, they could have, they could have multiple chains. So besides Pancakeswap, you might be able to get like an Ethereum version off Uniswap or a Solana version off Radium. They have a full CertiK audit that you could check out as well. And CertiK is the leading crypto auditor, so check that out. And yeah, follow the Telegram at World of Dypians. They have over 250,000 Telegram subscribers over there. And you'll be able to find this token newly listed on Gate and other places soon as well. So follow the Twitter for more announcements there. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.